Hello ECISD elementary school students and parents. Here's what's on the menu for this week. On Monday for breakfast we'll have sliced banana bread, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have popcorn chicken bites, a cheese breadstick, seasoned potato wedges, green peas, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast we'll have a mini bagel with sausage and cheese, fruit, and milk. And for lunch we'll have a breaded chicken drumstick, macaroni and cheese, broccoli florets, orange glazed carrots, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast we'll have beef tamales, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato crinkle cut fries, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast we'll have confetti pancakes, fruit, and milk. And for lunch we'll have crispy beef tacos, Spanish rice, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast we'll have mini French chocolate toast, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch we'll have sliced pepperoni pizza, romaine and cherry tomato salad, mixed vegetables, fruit, and milk. That wraps up our ECISD elementary food menus. If you want to stay updated on these menus, then follow us at all of our social media platforms at EdinburgCISD.